In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how we can create a database in a MySQL and the subsequent tables. See, I am going to go through this XAMPP, which comes up bundled with Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat servers. Anyways, for the time being, I am going to click on Start of MySQL, then go to Admin. Right now, you can go to Database, and here under the Create Database, you can write the name of the database that you want to create. Suppose it happens to be employees. Click on Create. The database has been created. Now look for the table, look for the database, this one, yeah, employees. Just click on it. You will find the prompt to create a table. Suppose the name of the table is master and number of columns 4. Click on go. See, now here you are being prompted to make a proper structure for your table. Now this table is under the database name employees, and it is asking for the name of the first column. Suppose it happens to be employee code. I have named it as e code. Now this is the list of data types which are provided by MySQL. Suppose I have chosen the data type int, and if you want to make it suppose primary key, so you can go to this one, select primary, and afterwards suppose you want to have employee name of the column is ename. Here you can select because it's going to be the name varchar. Maximum length is going to be suppose 35, whatever you want to choose. Then you want to have a column for basic salary. Suppose it happens to be of float data type, and again HRA. Suppose its data type happens to be big int, and these are the columns that we have created. Now if you want to give some table comments, you can give it here, but it's not necessary. Click on the save button. So we are finished with the creation of the structure of the table. This is the name of the table that we have created. Click on this, it will show you the corresponding SQL statement for this. Now you can you can expand this database employees. Here you can see the name of the table master. If you again expand it, you will find columns. If you expand the columns, you are going to see uh, the column names that you have mentioned in the structure. Now see, we can go to the master table, we can open it, and suppose we want to insert the record. Click on the insert button that appears in the menu bar, and e code, I'm going to supply the values. Ename is suppose Anil Kumar, basic salary is suppose 12,000, HRA is suppose 1290, then we can 102 is going to be the e code for the second employee. Ename is suppose David, basic salary is suppose 5600, HRA is suppose 1200. Now you can click on go. Now this has added two records into our table master, and you can see the corresponding SQL query. So guys, this is a very easy method to create the structure of a table under a database, and how we can give the, you have seen how we can give the records also. So this was a small tutorial which was devoted to telling you how we can create a database and how we can work under it. Thank you.